Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aisamul Putri. Today I'm gonna presenting about developing a competency-based training program for managing corporate tax obligation, a case study at PT Piranha Multitalenta. The first one is background. PT Piranha Multitalenta training program is designed to help participants build strong skill to compete in today's job market, while also improving efficiency in accounting and tax work. The program also helps participants better understand tax regulation, so they can handle digital tax reporting more effectively. To keep up with current industry needs, PT Piranha Multitalenta plans to create a new training program focused on managing corporate tax obligation. This training will focus on three main areas. The first one is preparing the annual corporate income tax return. Number two is managing value-added tax, and number three, the last one, is handling tax withholding and collection responsibility, including duties as a tax withholder and taxpayer. The next one is formulation of the problem. PT Piranha Multitalenta offers training program to improve accounting and tax skill based on additional competency standard. The goal is to help participants become more competitive and work more efficiently, especially by understanding tech regulation. However, a new training program is still needed. The program managing corporate tax obligation will focus on preparing the annual corporate income tax return, value-added tax reconciliation, and managing tax withholding and collection. The problem one is how can PT Piranha Multitalenta design a competency-based training module for preparing and submitting the annual tax return. The problem two is how can PT Piranha Multitalenta develop competency-based training material for monthly value-added tax, reconciliation, and tax withholding obligation. The next one is research purpose. The goals of this final project are: the first one is to create a competency-based training module that helps participants prepare and submit the annual tax return at PT Piranha Multitalenta. The second is to develop simple competency-based training material for monthly value-added tax reconciliation and identifying tax withholding at PT Piranha Multitalenta. Next one is benefit of research. The study presents an innovative conceptual framework for developing training module based on SKKNI standard for tax competency unit. It complements existing training program on tax competency unit, especially the unit on managing corporate tax obligation. The next one is literature review competency-based training. According to the Director General of Vocational Development and Productivity, is a type of on-the-job training that focuses on mastering work skill. It covers knowledge, skill, and attitude according to the set standard and workplace requirement. Next is tax. Tax is a mandatory contribution to the state required from individual or entities by law. It is compulsory, does not provide direct compensation, and is used by the government to promote the great welfare of the people. Next is corporate income tax. According to Waluyo, corporate income tax is a tax imposed on a company based on the income it earns during a tax year. According to Financial Accounting Standard or SAK, it is a tax calculated based on tax regulation and it's applied to entities' taxable profit. The next one is research method. Research and development or R&D. This study is a type research on and development or R&D. According to Sugiono, R&D is a research method used to create a specific product and test how effective the product is. The product resulting from this research are in the form of competency-based training program and material designed to be used by PT Piranha Multitalenta. The next one is research method documentation. According to Sugiono, documentation is a way to collect data and information in the form of book, archive document, writing, number, and image, such as report or notes that can support research. The next one is interview. The interview method used in this study is guide-free interview. According to Aragunto, Quiet free interview is done by asking questions freely while still following a prepared interview guide. The last one, that's all my presentation. Thank you for everyone.